Today on Health Yourself, we're going over 5 benefits of vitamin B12 and why a deficiency of it can lead to memory loss. So let's get started. At number 1, vitamin B12 can play a role in protecting our heart. One of the main causes of heart disease is high blood pressure. High blood pressure is linked to an excess amount of a hormone called homocysteine. Homocysteines are responsible for making proteins in the body. However, they need to be broken down by vitamins like vitamin B12. If left unchecked, this leads to high blood pressure, which also leads to heart disease. Research has gone ahead and shown that an increase in our vitamin B12 intake can reduce these excessive levels, therefore lowering our risk of heart disease. Next up at number 2, vitamin B12 can support the health of your skin, hair, and nails. Most of the time we keep hearing that collagen is one of the main things you need to be consuming to support things like your hair and skin. Now, collagen is very important, but you can also add vitamin B12 to that list as well. Vitamin B12 plays a role in cell production, so that means we need a moderate amount of it to help aid in these areas. In fact, studies showed that a lack of vitamin B12 can lead to nail discoloration, hair changes, and hyperpigmentation. So make sure if you're consuming some form of collagen, you are also supplementing in some vitamin B12 to achieve even better results. Moving on to number 3, did you know that vitamin B12 can also help prevent age-related macular degeneration? Macular degeneration is an eye disease typically found in older adults. A lack of vitamin B12 can increase our risk of developing this. This goes back to the function of vitamin B12 reducing that amino acid called homocysteine, which we talked about at the beginning of this video. In studies, high levels of homocysteine were linked to an increased risk of age-related macular degeneration. This stands well with the list of other B vitamins also being very beneficial for the health of our eyes. Hey, we're about halfway through the video, so hit that subscribe button as it really helps us out, and you can check us out on Instagram and Facebook as well. Number 4. Vitamin B12 can also help us to improve our overall mood and possibly deal with depression. The hormone called serotonin is what dictates your overall mood. You can check out our video on it right here if you want to learn more. A lack of serotonin can lead to mental illnesses such as depression. Vitamin B12 helps to aid in the production of serotonin. A study was carried out with patients receiving antidepressant medication and another group of patients receiving antidepressant medication plus a vitamin B12 supplement. The group that additionally received the B12 supplement showed improvements in their symptoms in comparison to the group that only consumed the antidepressants. Concluding the video here at number 5, vitamin B12 has been linked to preventing memory loss in seniors. Vitamin B12 plays a part in something called brain atrophy. Brain atrophy is when the brain loses neurons and is associated with mental illnesses like dementia. Studies showed that a deficiency in vitamin B12 can accelerate these symptoms and increase the chances of developing memory loss in our old age. Hey, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you. Give it a thumbs up and comment down below your favorite part and we'll make sure to respond. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of healthy eating tips, nutrition facts, and much more.